What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today we are talking about Jim Cramer because he's calling out Binance, he's calling them sketchy, and that may be bullish for CZ and Binance because we all know Jim Cramer is always wrong, and you always do the opposite of what Jim Cramer says. He said sell your Bitcoin, Bitcoin went to 29K. He said to invest in Meta, Meta dumped. Right? So if you don't know what Meta is, it's Facebook stock. But anyway, let's get right into the story. All right, so after celebrating the bullish upswing in mid-March, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, was presented with another regulatory conundrum. Earlier this week, the exchange was hit with a lawsuit by the CFTC, and the lawsuit accused both Binance and CEO CZ of various violations. While some continue to trust the firm, others, they just don't. Prominent CNBC host Jim Cramer belongs to the people who don't trust CZ and Binance, and he tweeted about it. So Cramer came out against Binance and called them sketchy and said he would never work with CZ or Binance. And because of this, and because of what Cramer is known for, a lot of influencers and people came out and was like, thank God he's tweeting bad things about Binance because now we can hop back on the train. Like Carl from the moon. He says, perfect. Now I'm ready to deposit back into Binance. Thanks, Jim. Best confirmation I've gotten. And then Will Chart responded saying 100x long on Binance. Thank you, Jim. And also CZ, he acknowledged Jim Cramer. He said, thanks, Jim. Thanks for the vote of good confidence, man. So many rush to statistically suggest that better and bullish days are ahead for the exchange. And it should be noted that Cramer has taken several digs at Binance. Back in December 2022, he suggested the exchange had no real legitimacy. Amidst this, one of Binance chief tweets started quite an uproar in crypto Twitter. So, I mean, yeah, he's coming at Binance. Look, all I can say is this. Jim Cramer is pretty much always wrong, and we pretty much need to always do the opposite of Jim Cramer. That's not financial advice. That is just a fact. This man has an inverse ETF against him. Basically, everything that he says to do, they do the opposite. I think if you win against him, I think you're up like 80% of the time or something like that. So pretty much, I don't know if the government or the TV or media pays him to be wrong just so that he can wreck retail. But I would never listen to him. I would always do the opposite. But that's just my opinion. But hey, this is a Clear Cryptos channel. This is a funny story. I just love reporting funny stories sometimes. Kind of, keeps everybody up to date on what's going on in, the Twitterverse and just in media in general. But my name is Jay Seals. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.